together sometime. I'll thank you and no. Rather have for the pool than the fire ramp? What? I know. Sorry, I don't have fire ramp. But it's no one's touch. We don't no more touch. What, guys? Yeah, don't have a fire ramp today. You don't want to thirst. Okay. Open your mouth. Wow. I don't know dear. This is. I know dear. Waiting for mommy's waiting for four. Whatever. Our 2 kids this. Okay, kids, how was your school? What's our answer? Push! Whoa! I want to go fire ram. Yeah. No. That's no. No, yeah. This is not dangerous. Okay. Whoa! What's potential fire? Oh. What's the whole deal? It's man. Excuse me. Oh, a violet.
Remember the first time you noticed your skin's uneven tone and texture? We do. It's natural. Treat it that way. Davina.
What's this? Hey, what happened to Pete? Oh no, the pool is a fire ramp. Fire. The fire ramp. Go. What's this? Oh my gosh, look, it's cheese stick. Hi. Huh? This is not touch fire ramp. Maybe we could go to the police and go to jail. I'm sorry, I don't really want to touch that. Oh, boy, there is for the stop and no fire ramp. This is charge. This is try again. No fire. Oh, this is what's the cheese dip? You wanna watch now with my snubbers? Number here. It's fine. They're fine. Anyone thinks a picture. And make sure there's no finding. You gotta stay here, okay? Don't worry about time. You so much. Go. Have a fire around, we will go for fire alarm and take it off. What? What's her first? Everybody baby first. That's it, you want to say.
Güey, camina para allá, esto está mojado. It's wet. It's wet.
Okay, the police is out. The video is over. Yes, ma'am. No. Let's stop it. This does no fire ant, but still go fire. Now, also, you have to put it. You see, no fire ant, no touching.
Okay, let's hear.
You have to put fire
No.
ant.
Permiso.
Oh, the fire ant keeps touching. Okay, yes, then. No, what? Hey, baby, this not funny. You go, please. Open We can go find you and take it off. Okay. What? Hey, this is first. That's how you want to keep. You should want it done. Let's see. This is the fire touch the fire, yeah. He's not there. He's no more fire touch.
The fireman.
Yes, baby. No one touch. And the poor fire one. Also, we have to put it. Can you see it?
Okay, sorry, Daisy. I don't have for fire.
That's this whole one. Let's take this. This.
Me va a bañar, ve.
This is no DS fire. The fire home. Okay. Let's go to jail. Open a few months later. Let's go. A few months later. No, don't have no blood for babies. No for the toys. No for mommies. And get to yours.